docking station for your laptop. Let's open it up. All right, that's all that's in the box. Comes with a little instruction manual. Comes with this. That's nice. It has these features. 2 USB-C slots, 2 USB-A slots. So that's right here. HDMI for resolution up to 4K. Then that's this one right here, 4K. And then it has a Ethernet speed to 1000 Mbps. And then it has on the side here an SD card slot. It also has the connection for the power and then the TF slot. I have my laptop here and we're going to test it out. Okay, so this is the power cord that it comes with. You're going to connect one of the USB-Cs into your laptop. My USB-C is on the side here. So you got the host here. I connected it to my laptop. It's so easy to use. You just plug and go. And there's no extra setup. You just plug it in and it'll work for you. Like I said, you have all these features. Let's go through them again. An Ethernet cord, 2 USB-As, 1 USB-C PD, 1 4K HDMI. On the side here, we got a big SD card and then a TF card. And then on this side, we have 2 USB-Cs. Just plug and go. It's simple, easy, and nice. I highly recommend this docking station.